It is day 5 here in Maui, and this is going to be a fun one. We are doing one of our favorite activities, going ziplining at Kapalua Ziplines. We're going to go out for an amazing dinner at Sansei Sushi. I'm going to give you a tour of Papakea Resort, and we're even stopping for some late night Hula Pie at Duke's Beach House. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified of all of our latest videos. I started off really early again this morning, heading over to the south side of the island for some more amazing drone footage. I went to Big Beach before people really started to get there, and what a beautiful location. The beach is just majestic with the backdrop of Haleakala in the background and Molokini Crater right off the shore. It sure was spectacular. Getting ready to go ziplining at Kapalua Zipline. Beautiful view to start off the day. All right, so it's about 6:45 and we are heading out the door to go to Kapalua Ziplines. Really looking forward to ziplining with them again, and this time getting to do it with Angie. All right, so we are at Kapalua Ziplines, and we're getting ready to leave here in just a few minutes to go on our zipline adventure. Should be a lot of fun. Really looking forward to it. You start off with a short van ride up the mountain, and once you get there, the view overlooking Maui and the islands across the ocean is just spectacular. The course is set up on a hillside and is beautiful, and the drive up the mountain in the four-wheelers was one of the best parts of the day. It was so much fun.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
Yeah.
Really fun.
pretty sure Angie's feeling pretty lucky right now with me having 2 GoPros and one on top of my helmet. Pretty sure. All right, there's the last line right there that we're gonna do. It's a nice long one.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go ahead. Look back!
It was awesome. It was really fun. It was beautiful. The view was amazing.
Nice. How lucky did you feel going with me, having 2 GoPros and one on top of my helmet?
Really.
All right, so the zip lines was incredible. It was a lot of fun today. There was a lot of fast lines. It was good going on this one again with Angie this time. We're back at the condo now. We're gonna kind of take the day as it comes and get some lunch and figure out what we want to do this afternoon. And then we have a nice dinner planned for later. All right, so we got lunch at a Venezuelan place right here by Papakea Resort. And I believe these are called aropas. That's Angie's. It's got bean and cheese inside of it. That's mine, and it's got pork and pineapple salsa in it. And then these are called yuca fries. All right, then these are also a couple of Spam Masubis that I got yesterday at the grocery store. And I'm gonna have those today with my lunch as well. All right, so lunch was pretty good. The stuff from the aropas or whatever those things are from the Venezuelan place that we got lunch, it was pretty good. The salsa was really good on it. The meat was really good. But the masubis I got from the store, those were tasty. Those Spam Masubis were super, super good. So that was the highlight of my lunch for sure. Hey guys, so we have had a nice lazy afternoon. We had lunch and took a nap, and Angie went down to the pool some more and played, but it was just kind of a really lazy afternoon, which was nice having one of those. We've been kind of go on this trip, so it was nice having a few hours to just chill out and relax and rest. And we just got done with FaceTiming the kids and got to talk to them for a little while. It was great to see them. Sure do miss them. It'll be nice getting home to see them here in a few days. And now we are heading back up to Kapalua, where we went ziplining this morning. And we're going to a restaurant that's supposedly the best sushi on the island of Maui. It's called Sansei Sushi, and we've been looking forward to that. We had to work hard to get reservations for this place, and so we're hoping that it's going to be really good. When we arrived at Sansei Sushi, I was really glad we had a reservation because there was a long line outside. The inside of Sansei Sushi looks really nice. It's got a really nice dining room. It's got a beautiful patio area where a lot of people were choosing to be seated. The sushi bar is really large, and it's obviously where all the magic happens in this place. And then it's got a nice bar area as well that people are seated at. All right, so our first sushi roll has showed up. We got the Crunchy Island Spicy Roll. Looks absolutely amazing. What do you think, sweetheart? Does it look good?
Oh, I can't wait.
All right, so what do you think of the first sushi roll we got?
Very good. The sauce there was very, well, not very spicy, but like solid spice. Very good. Balance good. Love the crunch.
All right, this is our next roll. It's a fried butterfish tempura style roll. Looks really good. So that was an amazing dinner. That was far and away the best sushi I've ever had. Angie, what'd you think?
Delicious. Loved it.
The waiter, Nick, was amazing too. He did a great job helping us out. I'm very sushi ignorant. He was a very kind person. Yeah, and the sushi rolls, I think we ended up getting like 5 of them. They were so good. The last one though, the fried tempura butterfish roll was, if there was sushi like that around all the time, I'd eat sushi on a regular basis. So I would highly recommend Sansei Sushi. It's kind of difficult sometimes to be able to make a reservation there, but I will tell you the trouble I went to get a reservation, it's worth it. So yeah, if you ever are over in Maui and you get a chance, try Sansei Sushi in Kapalua. It is an incredible experience. Part of what makes Maui so spectacular is you can have an amazing dinner like we just had, and then this is what the drive home looks like. Hey guys, so I am going to walk you around and give you a tour of Papakea Resort where we're at. And I've been trying to wait for an early evening time because it's just a beautiful time to come look at Papakea Resort. The lights are just coming on, the sun's setting. Check out these fountains here. Look how pretty that is. You got tiki torches starting to get lit at this time. It's so neat because it's still light, but the tiki torches are coming out. I love this time of day here at Papakea Resort. Lots of condos here, with a lot of ocean views. Really pretty resort to stay at. One of our favorite things to do here is it's got a putting green that you can come out. We came out here with the kids when we were here earlier this year. I always love all the palm trees too. There's just something about being on a vacation and seeing palm trees that makes you feel really, really good. All right, this is the pool area. And we come down here a lot during the day, but at night it's really pretty. It gets all lit up. You can see the lights starting to come on, but it gets all lit up at night. And there's like 5 barbecue stations inside of here. The hot tub all lit up over there. We'll definitely be going back there later. More tiki torches. I always love more tiki torches. Tiki torches with palm trees. Can't beat that. And then this is the lanai area, which is really cool. Has a bunch of tables, a couple of changing rooms. All right, and then it's sunset time, and out here is where people sit. During the day, people will sit out here and catch rays and just enjoy the beautiful view of the water. And at night, they come out here and start lining up about a half hour before sunset. Look at that with the sunset and the palm trees and the moon. Man, you can't beat that. Could you imagine getting to see this every day? That is just incredible. Here's shuffleboard. If you watch one of our videos from the earlier Maui trip that we did with the kids, we came out here and played some shuffleboard. I think Angie and I may be coming out here for some shuffleboard at some point. That is our patio, and there's Angie. That's where we've gotten to spend this week, and it's been absolutely gorgeous. One of the bad things about Papakea Resort, it's not necessarily a huge beach right in front of the resort, but there is this little beach area, and people have been coming out here and playing a lot. Personally, there's other beaches I would rather go to if I was gonna enjoy some beach time. All right, and this is what our condo looks like in the evening. Once again, it's a really beautiful condo. We've loved staying here. I would love to come back here again. And then watch this when you walk outside these huge doors and you got that view. How incredible is that? All right guys, so that's been a tour here at Papakea Resort. I hope you enjoyed getting shown around and getting to see how beautiful this place is. All right, so Angie and I left from the condo after coming back from dinner and went down to Duke's and we're gonna get a piece of Hula Pie for dessert and a couple of coffee drinks. And we ended up getting a good seat here at the bar. The wait for tables was like an hour and 15, but we got lucky getting a couple of stools at the bar. I'm not used to sitting at the bar, so that's kind of cool. Okay, there's what's left of our Hula Pie. It went fast, but it lived a good life. Hey guys, so we just got done at Duke's. We'd already had dinner and everything, and Angie had some drinks earlier, so we just got a couple of coffees and a Hula Pie, and we were in and out of there in like probably 20 minutes and had a really nice dessert in a really cool location. And now we're just a few minutes from the condo. We're gonna head back to the condo and possibly go down to the pool in the hot tub. Thank you so much for taking time to join us today. If you've ever gone ziplining or eaten at good sushi restaurants, please leave your comments below. We would love to know what some of your thoughts are. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at Bucket Day Adventures. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you really want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you can get notified of all of our latest videos that come out. Thanks again for spending time with us, and we sure hope you're doing something fun today to fill your bucket. Take care.